Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open a ledger in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Then, locate the Accountant module on the left sidebar. Click on it to expand the options. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you manage all your financial accounts or ledgers within the system. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you are in the Chart of Accounts, you will see a button labeled Plus New Account. Click this to begin creating your new ledger. A form will appear, prompting you to select the account type. It's crucial to pick the correct category, such as an asset, liability, or expense, as this impacts your financial reporting. Take a moment to consider the nature of the account you are setting up. Next, you'll need to enter the specific details for your new ledger. Start by giving it a clear and descriptive account name. This name will appear on your reports. You can also assign an account code, which helps with organization, especially if you have many ledgers. Finally, there's an optional description field where you can add any extra notes or context about this particular account. Before you finalize everything, take a quick moment to review all the details you've entered. Double-check the account type, name, and code to ensure they are correct. Once you are satisfied, simply click the Save button. Your new ledger will then be successfully created and added to your Chart of Accounts, ready for you to use in recording transactions and managing your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.